How to fix a Zipcar fuel card that isn't working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. This is the official article from Zipcar. It's written, the fuel card isn't working, what can I do? So, I will simply summarize everything. Confirm you're only trying to purchase gas and always try paying at the pump first. If pre-authorization is requested, enter $50 or less. And if prompted for zip code, enter your billing zip code. And also avoid filling small amounts or using the fuel card repeatedly in a short period. If it still fails, pay for fuel with your own card, keep your receipts, and submit receipt for reimbursement. And if the fuel card is missing, report it in the app or call their customer care contact number. And this is how to fix a Zipcar fuel card that isn't working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.